Here's a little song to help you get along. It'll see you through when you're feeling blue. And though it's not profound, when you're feeling down, so down, sing this little tune and you'll feel better soon. You're not alone, even though right now you're on your own. You are loved in ways that can't be shown. Your needs are known. You're not alone. And when you cry, you're just letting go of heartache deep inside. So tomorrow there'll be sunshine and sky and love close by. You're not alone. And I know that it's not easy, but I know that it won't last. 'Cause one who loves you more than me is sending blessings fast. You're not alone. Say it one more time, I'm not alone. Even when it's hard to find the words, you're always heard. You're not alone. You're not alone. Say it one more time, I'm not alone. Even when it's hard to find the words, your prayers are heard.